it down, put it on the water, put it on the water.
Our idea was to get the very first video and photos ever of a crocodile's jaws closing around the camera. People have seen crocodiles on the shore when you're in a boat, but no one has seen crocodiles up close and personal because they're too dangerous. Which is why we're using these remote control boats. We had strap foam to them and we had put GoPros inside. We thought it'd be really cool, and we also might learn something about how crocodiles attack things. And we got our very first attack on the very first deployment. It was just jaws around the camera, under. I mean, all in less than 2 seconds, he was gone. That's how quick you disappear if you're attacked. Just smashed it. I mean, it was just, bam! It's crazy. Well, 50 years ago, there were almost no crocodiles in northern Australia. You saw that, right? Now, everywhere you go, there are crocodiles. There are crocodiles in every billabong, crocodiles in every creek, crocodiles in every river. But the main mission on this last trip was to drive these remote control boats and see if we could destroy them, and it went remarkably well.